Let me show you how you can revert your project to a previous commit at any point in time. So right now I'm working with my Perl project. I'm on the configuration page, and you can see I've got a few packages added to my project. Maybe I don't want these test harnesses anymore. Whenever I click this commit button, the ActiveState Platform will take a snapshot of my current configuration. And it holds those commits under the History tab. So you can see I've just removed the test harnesses here, and that's what I'm currently viewing. If I want to go back, I can actually revert to a commit previous to what I've just done. Just by clicking this revert, you can see what's going to happen. I'm going to add back those two packages that I removed. If I go back to my configuration, you can see test-more and test-DCP are back again. So that's a way that you can restore any commit that you've previously done very simply, very easily, and restore all the packages that were originally added to that configuration at any point in time, even if they're no longer publicly available.